Hello guys, meet our little puppy. This is Alfred. Oh, he wants down, he wants to go play. Hang on. What? Why don't you want to be in the video, baby? Everybody meet Alfred, our new puppy. Okay, buddy. He's not a star yet. He doesn't want to be in the video. But anyway, he wants inside. Guys, we got a new puppy and I'm so excited. This is day 3 with him. We got him on Friday, so hey, no, Alfred, hey. Anyway, so it's kind of a long story, but anyway, he is from Iowa, and so my parents drove and picked him up and then took him to the airport, and then my mom flew him from Iowa to Arizona and brought him to me on Friday, and we've just been spending all weekend with him, loving him, having so much fun. He is just so sweet and so adorable and totally just catching on so quickly. It is so great. Archie and him are just having a blast. They've just been playing non-stop, and yeah, I am just so happy to have he's chewing on this. They want it inside. Okay. Anyway, I am just so happy to have a puppy again, and we're just having so much fun. As you know, okay, wow, I look so horrible. It's like still 7 a.m. And I'm like literally still in my pajamas. I don't know why I decided to film right now, but anyway, we just have been having so much fun, and I'm so excited for all of our puppy videos to come, and we've been working on some different training stuff, and he is just so smart, and we're just having so much fun. So yeah, get excited for lots of videos to come. But basically we just spent the weekend playing with him. We went to the pet stores. We got him like, oh my god, so many cute things, and he is just being so good. So I'm just gonna like insert a ton of footage of him and Archie playing, and basically his first like 48 hours with us. And guys, we took him swimming and he loved it, which is awesome because Archie hates swimming, and Archie was like not happy that Alfred like enjoyed swimming. It was so funny. But anyway, yeah, I'm just excited to have him here in Arizona with us and to grow our family, and just kind of, yeah, it's super exciting. I don't know what else to say because he's like not here with me. He like didn't want to be in the video anymore. It is like already 93 out, so that's probably why. We got up super early this morning and just like hung around outside before the sun was like starting to rise, so they really enjoyed that. But he's been really good and happy and just loving life. So I'm just gonna put in all the footage here, and if you have any questions, like always, please leave them in the comments below. I love answering your guys' questions, and please subscribe for lots of puppy videos or follow their Instagram. Right now it's just at archie.thecavapoo. But yeah, that's all. So hope you guys enjoy. Guys, my mom just landed and she has the puppy. Archie's like, what? Archie, are you so excited to have a brother? Are you so excited to have a brother? He's been so bored without other dogs. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna head to the airport and go pick up our puppy. It's like, Mom, I literally don't care. Welcome home. It's like, oh my goodness, she's literally clinged onto me. He's like,
He just lays down with his legs out to the side.
What are you guys doing? Archie, let him play with that.
He's so welcome, really good.
Our first night with Alfred. Hello, guys. So much stuff. He literally sent me all the stuff. Archie, is that boy in here? That's the wrong direction. Come on, you got it. Good job. Yay, that was so good. That was so good. What about you, Alfred? Are you being a good boy? Oh, great, check Okay, let's show him how handsome you are. Yes, we've got white whiskers and white down the back of his head and neck. And then if we roll on our bellies, we have a white belly, some white paws. You are so handsome.